This question is from 2024. A rectangular floor area can be completely tiled with 200 square tiles. If the side length of each tile is increased by 1 unit, it would take only 125 tiles to cover the floor. First, assuming the original length of each side of a tile is x units, make a quadratic equation from the above information. Second, write a corresponding quadratic equation in the standard form. And third, the sub-question A, find the value of x, the length of the side of a tile by factorization, or B, solve the quadratic equation for x using the quadratic formula.